Welcome to this section of our course. In this section, we'll have a look into the different elements of Visual Studio Team Services, how they function, and how using these connected tools, you can move your organization to a fully fledged continuous delivery implementation. In this section, we'll begin with an introduction to Visual Studio Team Services. This section focuses on the technical perspective of continuous delivery, where development, testing, and deployments happen frequently and in short cycles. We'll learn how using Visual Studio Team Services enables you to release high-quality, reliable software quickly through build, test, and release automation. Communication is the most important aspect of software development. We'll see how using the features that Visual Studio Team Services offers, you can simulate communication, keep track of the work that needs to be done, and make sure that all team members work together. We'll dive into the project management tooling that Visual Studio Team Services offers and see how using these tools, we can track work, plan resources, and optimize your team. This video, we'll have a look into Visual Studio Team Services, different elements of Visual Studio Team Services, and how they function together. Visual Studio Team Services is an integrated development environment that helps software developers manage their projects and work using different programming languages like Visual C++, .NET, ASP.NET, C#, etc. It's also managed entirely by Microsoft. You don't have to do anything other than creating an account and you're good to go. Microsoft manages and administers the servers as well as takes care of the backups. Visual Studio Team Services provides an integrated set of features that you can access through your web browser, like agile tools to support planning, tracking your work, code defects and issues using Kanban and Scrum methods, Git repositories for source control management of your code, build and release management to support continuous integration and delivery of your applications, a variety of tools to test your applications, including manual exploratory testing, load testing, and continuous testing, highly customizable dashboards for sharing progress and trends, built-in wiki for sharing information about your team. Getting started on Visual Studio Team Services is easy. All you need to do is to have a Microsoft account, and you can go to the website www.visualstudio.com Team Services, and it will open in your browser, and what you can do is you can click on Getting Started for Free or the Free Account button over here, and then it is going to create a free account for you. All the features and services are accessed or done within your browser, so there is nothing to install, download, or set up. So you can see that I have Microsoft account, and when I clicked on that link, it went into my account and I can create a new account on Visual Studio Team Services now. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you will be asked to sign up and create a new account, and then you can create a Visual Studio Team Services account for free.